what it really is. I can only tell you what it feels like.
Wow! Red leaves! Unang maganda ka agad. Check yung TV! Tatanasal ka na! Pwede ka ito magtataho.
That's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I can't tell you what it really is. I can only tell you what it feels like. And right now, this little night, you know we fight. I can only fight while I can't fight. As long as the road feels like it's like I'm in the light. I hope the low drop from my head is like I'm more suffer. Associated with me, I'm about to judge you. Resist the days, make you fucking hate me. And I love it when you go, I'm leaving you. Oh yeah, come back, we're on the right back. Here we go again, so insane. Just when I go, it's go away. I'm so my hand to the it's bad, it's go away. But when it's bad, it's over. I'm so ashamed, I'm not just glad. I don't even know his name. I lay it down, so I'm just so away. I guess I don't know my own strength. This guy is baby, come back, I want you, baby, because baby, our relationship was like a sweet fantasy. Baby, that's just happens when the story don't get so far. And all I know is I'm loving too much to walk away. Don't look inside, pick up the bags, just the sidewalk. You hear me singing, my voice will hand off. Know that this is my fault. Look me in the eyeball. Next time I'm concerned, I'm feeling on the drywall. Next time, there will be no next time. I apologize, even though I know it's lies. Start of the day, I just wanna go to I'm attached to the bed, this is how it's gonna find this drama. And that's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand me right. But that's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
Saan ko lalagay ito sa lips?
Dito.
Ba't pinabuso mo? Super red to eh. Ayaw mo yung pink? Ayaw mo yung pink? This one gusto mo? Ah, kagad.
Yan ang sound trip na walang limit with Spotify Premium. Upgrade now.
Ay, dry ang lips. Up. Wow! Wow! Red leaves! So, how about this one? Saan ba to?
Hindi siya dito yan.
Ah, okay. Hindi ba siya sa ears? Hindi ba siya sa ears?
Tanggalin mo na yan, no? Hindi ka pa nga...
Wag, sabi ko kasi mamaya pa nito tanggalin.
Mamaya na tanggalin! Mamaya na tanggalin! Mamaya na!
Anong game yan?
Kumain ka na, Bleng?
May ano yan, granny? Hindi ano yun?
Ano yan? Yung boses mo!
Tete! Sabi sa'yo, sakit!
Sakit.
Ayaw! Pangit ng lipstick mo, hindi bagay. Hindi bagay yun.
Ito nga siya eh. Sabi ko, ayaw mo to. Ayaw
Dapat
daw.
ganito lang, oh. Ganito lang, oh. Akin na lang to. No! Ma! No! Bakit? Sabi ni Tita Michelle, pwede, oh.
Kikita ka sa video, sumisigaw ka.
Mom!
Nasi-stress na siya.
Ganyan.
Oh.
Gusto mo din?
Ganyan.
Ayan na nga yung sayo eh. Magaganito din yan. Magkukulot din yan later.
Bakit? Ang laki ng problema mo. Ang damot mo
Bumabasag.
kaya. Ay, sabi na huwag gumaganyan yung mata.
Bakit ang ginawa?
Pag mo to kalat. Hindi ko kinakalat, tinitingnan ko lang. Hawakan lang masama. Oo.
Ano?
Mga mata mo.
Hi, Kai! Late yarn. Late! Sabi, silver and black.
Here's to 25 years and to many
Unang kagat, di ka agad.
Ang pangalan ng grupo natin, Buwis Buhay Ka. Ako kumakain ng buko, gusto ko yung lakad naman ako.
Check yung TV! Lagi na yan!
Okay, so now ladies and gentlemen, we're going to draw. Next up, you will bring home
Joshua!
50
Joshua!
inches on TV.
Todo dasal na siya. Todo dasal ka na!
Here. Here. Yes. Okay, let's go. And draw the next winner. Spin a wheel. This time, we are giving away Samsung Galaxy S25.
Okay na ako dyan!
Basa!
Wala na akong boses. Battle of the Vlogs. Hey!
Sorry, may picture.
Manda na kayo, food vloggers. Feeling. Okay, kami kakain na. Pwede na to magtataho.
Madami mag-arnibal.
Sarap ng akin, legit. Parang chili oil naman to, guys. Giving chili oil. Maanghang nakasunod galing sa mga. Masarap. Diba? Wagi parang chili oil talaga siya. Sa'yo yung parang wala lasa, mga kami lang. Ako din naman din. Ako din. Pero bakit ito sa vlog? Bye! Ay, ba't kumanta? Kumanta tuloy. Kumain ka ba dito?
Hindi lang siya, walang ganito favorite siya ng chopstick.
Hala, hindi pantay yung mo to. Walang problema pa na. Pero hindi pwede ko yung mabalik na sobra. Ay, baligtad. Parang okay naman sa haba. Parang ulit. Di ba na okay naman sa haba? Di ba? Okay class. Parang wag na lang. Ano na ba sisa ko? Madami pa yung natawa ko kasi sa nakain. Para may iba-ibang angle yung shots na lagay ko dyan. Natimang tayo mo lang nakarating ko. Ay, iba yung ganun. Ako kunyari dadaan. Tapos mapapalingon ka. Sige, try ka. Hindi ka pwede maging artista. Imagine mo. Kaya ka sa kanya bukas. Lingon ka na. I cannot. Eh, syempre, iba pag siya yan. Syempre, ako to eh. Matatawa ka talaga. Sabi. Ganito yung mga